Come and buy your skincare. Oh. Come and buy your cream. Come and buy your cream. Guys, ew. I want to put down. Guys, I'm selling skincare. I'm selling cream. If you want to have a glowing skin like me, come and buy your cream. Don't mind me. Oh. I'm not selling anything. No. I'm just a skincare junkie. I like to pack skincare like say her life depends on it. Anyway, Sha. Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 body moisturizers I have made use of before. Okay, I think I will start with the products I have never shared with you all on this channel. And I think the products I've never shared with you all is this Palmer's. Is it? Yeah, I think it's this Palmer's cocoa butter product. Yes, I know when I was saying come and buy your cream, it came in a different packaging, and that is this packaging. Yeah, this is the cream formula and this is the lotion formula. This one is brand new. I just got this one last week, but this one I'm almost done with this. Like, see, I am almost done with this one, and I am obsessed. I was obsessed with this product. This um I have to repurchase it again, and then I went to buy it in this lotion formula. First off, I just want to point out that this product is good for all skin complexion, despite the fact they wrote Palmer's cocoa butter formula, like cocoa butter in it. Doesn't mean it is only for caramel skin and dark skin complexion. It is good for any skin complexion. You can see that I have a fair skin complexion, and yet I am making use of this product. The reason why is because this does not darken my skin. This is not going to like darken your skin. This is just going to help you maintain your natural skin complexion. See, everything is not about using products that is going to make you look fairer, that is going to make you know, I don't even know, that is going to like, how am I going to put it? Everything is not about bringing in product that contains vitamin C, niacinamide, brightening, bobo to bo. Sometimes you need skincare products that are going to help you to pamper your skin, that will help you to nourish your skin, that will help you to like just maintain your skin barrier. Something that will not enter your skin and be working wonders, and maybe will not start to be damaging your skin barrier. Sometimes we need skincare products that are actually gentle and very mild on the skin. Me, I need those type of skincare products. I don't know for you, but me, I need those type of skincare products. And that is the reason why when it comes to my body care, I had to make sure I use at least one body moisturizer that is just subtle, that will help me with my skin, that will help me to just maintain my skin barrier, that will not be harsh on my skin at all. And then I fell in love with this Palmer's cocoa butter product. At first, I didn't want to get this product because I felt like it will not be good for me if I have a fair skin, but I decided to give it a try, and then I noticed this is for any skin complexion. Now, I'm just going to say that you see this product here, if you have like a dry skin, okay, let me just use it to compare the both of them. This one is very suitable for people that has dry, very dry skin. But this one, if you have like a normal skin, you can make use of this one. This one comes in a lotion formula. This one is not as thick as this cream one. Okay, let me just show you the formula, how this one comes out. I'm going to press it on my hands here for you all to see. Oh, I can't press it. See it here. That's the consistency. Now let me just bring in this cream one on this other part of my hands so you can see the difference. Apply it on this part of my hands. So this is how the formula is. You can see that this one is like lightweight compared to this one that comes in like a thicker consistency. Can you actually see? This one looks lighter, why this one looks thicker on the skin. So that's the reason why I said this one is for people that has dry to very dry skin. Can you actually see how my hands is already looking very well moisturized, looks so glowy? Can you actually see it? Now let's blend this one into my skin also. And you're going to see the difference in the finishing look of these two moisturizers. Now this is my hands here with the lotion formula. This lotion formula, this is it here. Why this cream formula, this is it here. Now, can you actually tell the difference? Can you see that the difference is clear? Can you see that this one, my hand feels more moisturized over here compared to this side? My hands don't really feel as moisturized as this. So if you have a dry skin, very dry skin, okay, and you need a very thick, like very moisturizing body moisturizer or body lotion or body cream or whatever that you're going to use that will help you moisturize your skin, then you should try out the Palmer's cocoa butter formula in the cream form. This is the cream formula, why this one is the lotion formula. So if you don't have a dry skin, then you can try out the lotion formula. Me personally, I love the both of them, but I think I would prefer this lotion formula because it is less thick on my skin. But if I want to achieve that glowy skin, maybe I'm going out on a date and I want my skin to be glowy, I want my skin to be looking sumptuous, I want when sun hit on my skin like this, it should be doing ba 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 on everybody's eyes. Let everybody blind. It is Palmer's cocoa butter cream formula. It will give me that glow on my skin. Like with this product, most times I don't even need to apply a body oil because the glow is already there and it moisturizes the skin for up to 24 hours. Last time I got this one, it was 7,000 naira. The price is still here, but this one I got it recently, and this one it is now 12,500 naira. That's the price. So if you want to get this product, just to be expecting it to be around that 12,500 naira range. That's the price I got it for. Now let's move on to the next product on my list. This Amlactin body lotion. This is a very popular product and I'm not going to talk too much about this product. All I'm just going to say is that number one, this is an exfoliating body moisturizer I make use of in my skincare routine. This product contains 12% lactic acid. Now this lactic acid will help you to exfoliate your skin, to help you to get rid of rough skin if you have a rough skin. And that's something I love about this product, and that is when I make use of this product on my body, I always notice my body feels smoother. So this will actually help you promote that smoother skin feel. Okay, it is going to help you to brighten your skin. It contains lactic acid, which will exfoliate and also help you to brighten your skin. So in overall, this is like a very good brightening body moisturizer you can use. It can be used by all skin complexion. Okay, and this is only for the body. This should only be used at night. Okay, this is an exfoliating product. It should only be used at night. I don't use this in the daytime. If you have like an open wound or an open cut, okay, I will advise you to make use of this product. The reason why is because it is going to pepper your skin. I noticed that when I started making use of this product newly, I noticed when I applied this product on a part of my skin that I had injury. The injury was healing, but it was not completely healed, and it really peppered me. Like it was too much. If you have open wound or open cuts, make sure this doesn't go near that area because it is going to pepper your skin. Now another thing again is if you have a damaged skin barrier or maybe you have an allergic skin reaction, please don't make use of this. Like I said, you can use this one if you have a damaged skin barrier or if you have an allergic skin reaction, you can use this one. But don't make use of Amlactin, okay? It is going to irritate your skin further. Just keep off of hey, just keep off of Amlactin body lotion. Yeah. But in all, I love this lotion. But the only thing I hate about this lotion is how expensive this lotion is becoming. So when I said about my skincare routine, I said I got this lotion for 40,000 naira, and that was the price I got it for last. Okay, I've not bought this product of recent. It's still remaining. Actually, I've not finished using it. It is still remaining, but I've not gone to the market to buy this. And then someone commented that they got it for 50,000 naira, and I was shocked to my bone marrow. I was like, what is it? What is it? Am I going to, do I have to drop this lotion and find another lotion? Because this price is becoming too much. Oh. But anyway, Sha, if you want to buy this lotion, like what the person said, 50k, it might be up to 50k. And minimum, I would say the minimum will be 45,000 naira because skincare products just keeps getting higher and higher. So that's just the price range of this Amlactin body lotion. Now let's move on quickly to the next product on my list. Let's talk about Nivea. Nivea, my baby. So I have two Nivea body lotions with me here. This one is the Nivea Radiance and Beauty Even Glow body lotion, and this one is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant body lotion. Now I have made use of this lotion before. It was a very long time ago, and then I stopped using it when I came across this one because I loved this one. But of recent, I said, let me go and repurchase this Nivea. Let me try out this Nivea again and see how it is going to benefit my skin, see if I'm going to prefer this one back to this one. But sincerely speaking, I prefer my Nivea Radiant and Beauty. Okay, I still prefer this Nivea Radiant and Beauty. Now let me just give you all the let's say comparison or and differences. The first thing is that this one has a thicker consistency. This one is better for people that has like a dry skin, like, yeah, like that kind of skin type. But this one, if you have more of a, let's say, a normal skin or maybe an oily skin, you just need a very lightweight body moisturizer, then you can make use of the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow body moisturizer. This is the one that I prefer. Even if this does not really moisturize my skin, I don't really like the way this moisturizes my skin. But sincerely speaking, this one moisturizes my skin better compared to this one. That's just the only reason why I like this over this. But when it comes to brightening, this one, oh my god, it brightens my skin more compared to this one. Like, obviously, this one contains more brightening ingredients compared to this one. So this Perfect and Radiant contains berry extracts, UVA and UVB filters. That's just like the key ingredients in it. Why this one contains pearl extract, it contains turmeric, and it also contains SPF 15 in it. So have you seen the reason why I said, okay, this one also contains 95% pure vitamin C? I forgot to mention. Now, have you seen the reason why I said this will brighten your skin more than this one? I noticed when I started bringing in this back into my skincare routine, my skin was not looking like brighter as this one was giving my skin. So I prefer the Radiant and Beauty because it literally brightens my skin more compared to this one. So if I'm going to repurchase it, I don't think I'm going to repurchase this one again, because I feel like the reason why I had to dump this and go for this one, that reason is still there. This still beats Perfect and Radiant hands down. So moving on to the next moisturizer I have made use of, and that is this Vaseline Gluta Flawless Glow Body Serum UV Lotion. This product here, me personally, I don't really categorize this as a body moisturizer. Okay, the reason why is because this doesn't really feel as a body moisturizer. This is more on the serum aspect, but I still had to bring this into today's video because this is very good and it is worth mentioning. Now, because of I love this product so much, I had to repurchase it. Yes, I had to repurchase it. I've actually filmed a detailed review on this product, and I said I was going to repurchase it in that video, and then I decided to repurchase it. But this time around, I decided to go for their Dewy Radiance. So this is the Dewy Radiance. This is the Flawless Glow. If you want that brighter radiance, like, you know, when I mentioned Palmer's Cocoa Butter, maybe you're not a fan of that. Maybe you want something that will really help you to brighten your skin. Then, my love, you need to try out this Vaseline Gluta body serum, because it will really help you to brighten your skin. It is a very good brightening body care product. Okay, and also if you have, like, let's say, discoloration on your skin, making use of this will gradually, it will visibly help you to start getting rid of those discoloration on your skin. So that's just like my review about this product. Now, the only difference about this one and this one, and that's from the ingredients, is that this one contains a form of retinol in it, why this one does not contain retinol in it. I think that's just like the major difference when it comes to the ingredients in these two products. Yes, this is a very good treatment product that you can make use of. So, like I mentioned earlier, that I have filmed a detailed review on this product. So I'm going to leave the link of that review over here, because I did not say a lot about this product in this video. So if you want to know the detailed review about this Vaseline body serum, okay, just follow the link over here to check out that video. So my loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.